You've probably heard the exciting news. Liziqi is back. Her long-awaited return has delighted ed fans worldwide. For me, this is also the perfect moment to explore Sichuan, the province she calls home. Today, I'll take you on a journey through two incredible places: Chengdu, the lively capital of Sichuan, and Mianyang, Liziqi's charming hometown. Let's dive in. First, let's explore Chengdu, a city famous for its leisure, vibrant culture, and world-renowned cuisine. The heartbeat of Chengdu lies in its bustling streets. Picture steaming bowls of hot pot, smoky skewers fresh off the grill, and stalls overflowing with fragrant spices. This city is a food lover's paradise, and everywhere you turn, there's something delicious to try. But Chengdu isn't just about the food. Its laid-back culture and friendly vibe are just as iconic. Here, life slows down. People sip tea in shaded courtyards, play mahjong under ancient trees, or stroll through modern streets with a carefree spirit. And of course, Chengdu's stunning landscapes add to its charm. From traditional-style buildings with tiled roofs to neon-lit streets at night, this city strikes a balance between old and new. Let's take a moment to enjoy this aerial view of the city at sunset.